In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a curved line in Canva using a few simple steps. Whether you're designing a presentation, a social media post, or any other graphic, learning this technique can really enhance your design and give it that professional touch. To get started, make sure you have your Canva project open and ready. You can either start a new project from scratch or open an existing one where you'd like to apply this effect. If you're not already on Canva, go ahead and navigate to the site and log into your account. It's important to be logged in so that any changes you make are saved and readily accessible for future edits. Once you have your project open in Canva, the next thing you'll want to do is create a straight line. This is a simple step. Just go to the text tool and type the underscore symbol. You'll need to press the underscore key repeatedly until the line is as long as you want it to be. This action will create what's essentially a horizontal line across your canvas, which we will then modify to achieve that curved effect. Remember, how long you make this line will directly influence how it looks in its final, curved form, so play around with the length until you're happy with it. Having established your line, it's time to add the curve. Locate the Effects option, which is conveniently placed above your canvas area. Within the Effects panel, you'll find various options to edit your text or lines. What we need here is the Curve effect, specifically designed to transform straight lines into beautiful arcs. Click on Curve, and watch as your straight line gently bends into a curve. Now that your line has transformed, you have the opportunity to tweak it even further to suit your preferences. Canva provides sliders within the Curve tool, allowing you to adjust the arc's intensity. By sliding left or right, you can make the curve more pronounced or subtle. It's a good idea to take your time with this step and experiment with different levels of curvature until you find the perfect balance for your design. Once you're content with how your curved line looks, your task is complete. This simple yet effective technique can be applied wherever you need a touch of elegance in your design work. Remember, mastering these small tricks can vastly improve the visual appeal of your projects. That wraps up our tutorial on creating curved lines in Canva. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it inspires you to explore more features within Canva to elevate your design skills. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. I'd love to hear how you're planning to use curved lines in your projects.